G'day guys, what I've got here is my raincoat. We hung it a little bit too close to the fire, it touched a bit of hot metal and you can see a black spot there with a hole. Now this raincoat has a soft fuzzy sort of surface because it's designed for hunting. It's a little bit more quiet walking through the bush. If it was a smooth raincoat, a bit of good gaffer tape, these two rolls here, would be quite sufficient. That's not going to work for a fuzzy one. The gaffer tape won't stick and last very long. So what we're going to have to do is use super glue and glue a patch of waterproof material on. So what I have here is a piece of rubberized ripstop poncho material in ever pretty German fleck tarn camouflage pattern. Now you'll note that I've cut it so it's got rounded corners. It's natural to want to stick a square patch on, but it's the corners where it'll start to lift. So we've made sure that it's cut with all rounded edges. Here's my super glue. As we know, make sure you don't get this on your hands, you'll glue your fingers together. If you do get it on you, keep them apart until it dries. This stuff sticks very well. Paramedics use this stuff to close wounds in lieu of stitching. If you're going to do that, it works best if you stop all the blood, so you're just gluing together somewhat dry meat. I'm using the back of this as a spatula to ensure that it's fully spread. But I'm not going to leave myself much to grab.
Well, that's really sticky glue.
Very sticky. Stick your fingers together. We'll need to get a knife between your fingers to cut through the glue to get a gap.
So we gotta
Hold it down. I'll give it time. You can actually feel quite a bit of heat coming out of it, which is interesting.
yeah.
Hopefully it sticks. If it does, then I reckon I'll get something and glue it on the inside as well. So yeah, $20 raincoat off eBay. Still good. Raincoat's pretty useless with a hole in it. If it was just a warm jacket, it would still keep me warm with a hole in it. As for what camouflage pattern it is, I can't remember. It was a $20 raincoat off eBay. And young Robert and I got to it without a stencil and just hit it with green spray paint, because this is a temperate climate and the majority of the foliage here is evergreen. This is one of those raincoats with a strange lining. I think it's meant to add breathability. I can see in time that I'm going to cut that out because it adds bulk. Rather a compact raincoat that's around when I need it, rather than the bulky one that I left in the car.